Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out one of the products from my September 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag, and this is from Araceli, and it's the Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner that I got in the shade Gold Dorado. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and this retails for $16. So this is a full-size product that I got in my glam bag, which if you have not seen my unbagging video of that glam bag, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But typically I'm not too excited to get an eyeliner pencil, but in this case, the fact that it's gold actually has me pretty excited about it. So first I'm going to start out with a swatch. Ooh, definitely very much a gel eyeliner that glides right on. It's not a super dark color, so hopefully you can actually see it on my eyes. Here is what that looks like. It has a really pretty metallic finish to it. It claims to be really long lasting, so I actually want to start out by applying it on the waterline. It's supposed to be waterproof, so let's see if it actually sticks on my waterline, which I can rarely ever get an eyeliner to actually do. It doesn't seem to be drawing onto the waterline very well. As I'm trying to get onto my waterline, I'm more just kind of getting it onto my lower lash line, which I actually really like this color on the lower lash line. I like to add something that's a little sparkly and not too dark, and this is actually a really good shade for that. I feel like it complements my green kind of hazel eyes too. So that's a really pretty color on the lower lash line, even though it doesn't seem to be sticking in that waterline. For the fun of it, I'm also going to go ahead and apply it to the top lash line. Since it's this really creamy gel formula, it just glides right on the eye. It doesn't poke the eye or pull. Yeah, it's just not showing too much on that upper lash line. Whereas the lower lash line, I don't really mind if it doesn't show up too much. On the top lash line, I just feel like this isn't really doing anything. If anything, this could probably be like a gold metallic topper to a black eyeliner on the upper lash line. I think that would be pretty, but you see, on the top lash line alone, I just don't feel like it's really doing anything. And so now you can actually see one eye fully lined with it versus without it. And unfortunately, it doesn't really make much of an impact, not much of a difference. And for $16, I want this to be doing something. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it to the other eye. It is so quick and easy to apply. And this comes in a lot of different shades. So I think this is not a negative review towards the formula. It's more just the color isn't my favorite. I think this in a different fun color would be really nice. I just love how it glides right on. And so let's see how long lasting it really is. Oh, wow. Yeah, absolutely no smudging or budging, which is very impressive to me with such a creamy gel formula. It really seems like it would have smudged because of how soft it is, but no, that really is stuck on. So I am really impressed by this formula. So if you have tried out the Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner in any of those other colors, I would love to hear your thoughts on those and if you have any recommendations for those colors. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.